Hi, I'm Kyle with Razorback Offroad, here today to talk you through the install of our Sherpa Rack onto the Yamaha RMAX. Everything we need is on the table here. We've got our basket, our two sides, all of our hardware and tools. We'll overlay the tools so you can follow along with us. First step is we're going to grab a 4mm Allen and pull all 12 bolts out of the bed sides. So on each bed side there's 6 4mm Allen bolts that we're going to pull out and leave in the bed for later use. And we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Now that we've got all 12 of those bolts out, we can go and grab the first side, set it in place, and bolt it back on with those bolts we just removed. Set the first side in place. That little lip goes on the inside of the bed. Take a look, make sure your holes line up, and we'll get the first bolt started, just finger tight, down as far as you can go by hand. That way this can't fall over. Then we'll get the rest of them started and grab our Allen wrench and tighten them down. Okay, now that this side is all tightened down, we're going to repeat the process for the opposite side. Now that we got our sides bolted down, the last piece is to put the basket in and get our hardware installed. With the sides mounted and tightened down, the cradle will hold the basket nicely while we go back and grab our hardware. So I'm going to get all my bolts installed loosely and then come back through and put nuts on everything. Once all your nuts and bolts are started, we can go back through all the way around and get everything tightened down. And as you can see, if you're not the tallest guy, you can use a step ladder. It makes the job a little bit easier. Once you're finished, it's always good to go around one more time, make sure all your hardware is tight, give it a shake, make sure it's not loose, then you're all finished. That concludes the install for the Sherpa Rack on the Yamaha RMAX. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.